Welcome to Vibrant Thermal Engineering, manufacturer and exporter of industrial furnaces, burners and generators. Established in the year 2007 at Chennai, we are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. Being a registered member of IAF, ANAB and BSI, we export to East Asia, Middle East and other countries. Spacious warehousing, cost-effective market prices and stringent quality control measures make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a wide array of heat treatment, hardening, quenching, industrial ovens and furnaces, spares. Bogie, hearth, bell and pit type furnace offered by us are well known for their durability. Our forging, rotary, laboratory and shell baking furnace are a class apart. We offer heat treatment, hardening and tempering furnaces that are widely acclaimed in the market. We also provide non-ferrous melting, quenching and continuous furnaces that are cost effective. Along with that, we offer furnaces, spares, industrial oven and dryers that are available at industry-leading prices. For more information, log on at www.industrialfurnace.co.in.